You know, I don't think it's probably the greatest idea that I've ever had, starting the vlog off after a run, because I can't talk. So now that I've caught my breath a little bit, just finished a little run. What I'm trying to do a little bit more now is timing my runs. That's something I've been lacking recently. I've been doing runs just kind of nonchalantly and haven't been tracking my times and everything. So did a 2-mile run, not very fast paced. I did like right at 14 flat or something. That's kind of the goal, at least 14. Trying to get my run times back down, and you got to track your times to do that. Just running kind of without a purpose, you don't really make any gains as far as your physical, capabilities. You got to really push yourself, and so that's what I'm trying to do with these. So maybe every other day I'm going to do a timed 2-mile run. One of the reasons that I'm worried about my 2-mile run so much is because number one is I got a PT test coming up in October. It'll be the first time I take a PT test at my new unit, and I want to do really well. I want to do so well that whenever they see this new second lieutenant do his PT test, that they're just like, freaking dang. Because I'm not like most people in the military. Most people in the military kind of just want to pass. They want to do well in their PT test. That's not me. I can't even fathom thinking about barely passing the PT test or not striving to get a 300 on the PT test. A problem that I have is if I do anything less than a 300, if I do anything less than my best, it's not acceptable and I get pissed off at myself. By the way, guys, check out this shirt. Big shout out to Echo 551, which was my AIT company. So this is our old shirt. I just figured I'd wear it today. I haven't worn it in a while. So if you're 25 Bravo and you go to Fort Gordon, Echo 551, this was my unit. And you can be like, oh man, I'm going to Matt Ward's unit. That's freaking awesome. So now I'm gonna jump in the pool real quick because I gotta get back to work because today is a work day. I usually take little breaks right around lunchtime or so to go for a run or eat or whatever, and that's kind of what I did today. So I'm gonna jump in the pool, and then I got to get back to work and solve this little Gorilla Pod issue because when I started the vlog today, the Gorilla Pod broke. So right now it doesn't have this little piece on it, which makes it a little bit shorter. So let's go to the pool. It sure is nice having this out here at your own little apartment, and there's very rarely anybody around. By the way, yes, I am a Chicago White Sox fan. Now don't really stay out here too long. I basically just jump in the pool, lay out for like 10 minutes, and then go back inside. And now I'm changed and ready to get back to work. Now I know what you're thinking. You're like, Matt, why don't you actually get out and go do something, go hang out with some people, go do something besides sit in your room all freaking day long? Well, this is what I do, guys. I wake up and then I do some work. So like today, I got up in the morning and I started doing some work here at my desk. And then usually around 12 or 1 o'clock, I'll get out and do some kind of run or physical activity, or I'm going to my MMA and stuff practices now. I'll do that for an hour, and then it's back to doing some programming work until the day is over. And then it's time to make some videos and do some YouTube-y stuff, and then I basically do that, hit the gym, and that's basically my day. So I'm putting the vlog on hold for a couple hours, gotta get this done, and then I will be back whenever I'm ready to do some YouTube stuff. So it looks like they finally announced the Black Ops 4 beta, and yes, of course, I'm going to be live streaming it. If you guys didn't know, I try to do some gaming live streams every now and then because that's kind of like the origin of my channel. And I've done a couple of them recently on World War II, but now that the Black Ops 4 beta is coming out on August 10th, I'm going to be playing some Black Ops 4 with you guys to make sure, like, you know, you have your notification bells on, and then I always put out on Instagram and Snapchat when I'm going live, so you know when I go live. If you want to play a little bit of Call of Duty Black Ops 4. So now that I've nerded out for just a second, I did want to take a quick second to mention patches. Guys, don't forget, you guys can send me patches through my P.O. box. It doesn't necessarily have to be an actual, you know, patch if you're in the military right now. You could send me something like this or whatever, or I have the BPM patch here, but you could send me something else. I just want to fill up that thing. So I've gotten like 4 or 5-ish patches so far. I want more. I know most of you guys are probably not actually in the military yet, so it makes sense why you don't have the patches. If you want to, you know, get something else, it doesn't actually necessarily have to be, you know, some unit patch. I just want to fill that up. I'm actually not done working. I'm still doing some work, but what I am doing now takes a while. I've got to run this conversion file for like 300,000 records or whatever, so it takes a while. So what I'm going to do in the meantime is I'm going to show you guys a little pull-up and push-up exercise that I like to do. It's something that you want to do technically for time. You want to see how fast you can do it, and then you can test yourself on this periodically. But it's basically, I call this like the 10, 9, 8 or whatever countdown or whatever. I don't even know what I call it, but it's like 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. You're gonna be doing 10 pull-ups. You're gonna immediately drop, and you're gonna do 10 push-ups. Then you're gonna go back up, and you're gonna do 9 pull-ups. Then you're gonna go down and do 10 or 9 push-ups, and you're gonna incrementally go back and forth all the way down to 1. This is just something that I kind of made up myself a long time ago. Pretty good exercise. You know, obviously if you can't do 10 pull-ups, you can either do assisted pull-ups, or you can do some kind of variation, or you can lower the number down and do like 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, and maybe even work yourself back up. And if you're really advanced, you can go 10, 9, 8, 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, and then work your way back up, which would be insane if you guys can do that. So I'm going to do that right now just as a little midday exercise. I'm still going to hit back later today, so it's still going to be good. I guess the last time I did a vlog, I did a back day, so that's interesting. Now I don't know what time I got because I didn't record it, but the camera recorded it, and it's at about 4 minutes or so. So I guess I did around there, which isn't that bad. So there you guys have it. There is another exercise workout that you can add to your arsenal. If you have one of these things, it's great because you can just do it whenever. Just like I just did a break during my work, knock out some push-ups, knock out some pull-ups. So in total, it's basically 55 pull-ups and 55 push-ups, but it's back to back to back to back. You wanna try to have minimal rest. I haven't done this in a while, so if I were to keep doing it, I could probably get my numbers or my time down a little bit. But yeah, try this one out, guys. If you do it, leave a comment. Let me know what time you got. So it's like 6 p.m. right now, and I decided to lay down for a second and just wanted to say Snapchat, say hello to the vlog, and vlog, say hello to Snapchat. I don't know what it is, but recently I have been getting so many dang fake accounts. Like, why would you want to like be a fake account of me? This person's even claiming to be the YouTuber Matt Ward. So from now on, whenever you guys get a reply from me on social media, just imagine it is me just chilling on my bed replying to you guys just like this in this exact same position because that's kind of how it is 75% of the time. I'll just take a break, lay down on my bed, and open up my social media and just do-do-do-do-do. I went past your little entrance thing, and then now I'm turning. I'm turning back around now. What's up, guys? I'm here with my buddy Aaron. We're just walking around, I guess, Charlotte now. I just got my parking spot and everything. Going out for the night because I've been in the house all day, as you guys have seen, doing work. Gotta love that vlog life.
For 2 years. Yeah. I definitely got like the most bang for your buck, I think, in a place in Charlotte. Like, I can't complain, and I like the Music Factory, so it's like I won by coming to this place.
What? I can't hear you. I can't hear you. Great spot. That train is loud.
It was like in the southeast of the country in general, like.
So we've been walking around for a minute. I seriously love the city, guys, because I love being like right next to everything. It's just, there's nothing else like it. Like I can never go back to living where my parents live. Going back to live in Locust, like I could never do that again. Because just like in walking distance, you can be everywhere. Oh, it's late. So I just got back home. That's probably reversed, but it is almost 3 in the morning. So I'm tired, and I'm gonna close off the vlog right now. I have no clue what I just recorded, but I had a fun time hanging out with my buddy Aaron. It's been a while since I've hung out with him. So that's it for this video. That was my day in all of its glorious boringness. That was Matt Ward's day on Friday the 13th. Oh my gosh, it was Friday the 13th. I did not even know that. So I hope you guys enjoy your day, whatever day it is, whenever I decide to upload this next week. I hope you guys have an amazing freaking day. Seriously, I love you guys, and I will see you later.
I do this for my father, who I've only seen from time to time in my dreams. I do this for you. I do this for my mother, who's finally clean, no longer a fan. I do this for you. I do this for my sister, my wife and my kids, cause they part of the team. I do this for all the naysayers and haters who made me one of the greatest. I know it kills you inside, that's why I do this for you.